Hey guys, welcome back. Conor Brewster here again, and I'm excited to announce to you guys that we're starting a new material this week, and that is images. I'm going to break this lesson up into several videos like we did with matcaps and glass, and try and really get into it and show you guys all the options that you have using this type of material. It's a really fun one. Like I always say, stacking different types of materials in this app is a great way to get all sorts of different wonderful effects that you can use in your artwork or on your website or as web components and pretty much whatever you want. So these are all spheres that have different images on them, most of which I found on the web. As you can see, the images produce the effect of having, an actual texture or realistic object on your spline objects without having to actually model those objects themselves or take the time to recreate the looks of them. You can just find images online like I've done here. A lot of times I like to look for repeating patterns and things such as that, but you can see here we have all sorts of different stuff going on. We have like a little knit look, rusty metal. This is like a terracotta rooftop, peeling paint, tiles, grass. These are just some of the realistic images that I'm using, and you can see how the light affects them and the kind of high definition that you can get. Beyond using realistic images though, you can do all sorts of other stuff with just repeating patterns that you find. I've even used a bit of my own paintings and my own drawings and artwork and stuff like that here. It's a ton of fun. And here's another one. This endless repeating pattern is beautiful, and you can use similar images to this to make all sorts of wonderful objects for your still lifes and animations and wild stuff like that. Also, before we get done with this lesson, I'm going to show you guys how to build this fun little loading ball that you might kind of recognize. It almost looks like a little Siri or the loading rainbow from that Mac users might recognize. So this is just a fun little animation using PNGs, which are just transparent images. These are the three that I use right here, and you just use the PNGs and combine them with the glass material that we've already gone over and animate them all differently, and you can get a really cool effect like this. And you can do all sorts of stuff, that like things that I've already showed you, like cursor following and anything that you want to do. So this is going to be a really fun one. I'm super excited to show you guys everything that we can do, and I hope you'll follow along with me for the next several videos, because this is going to be a long one, but it's going to be a good one. So thanks for being here. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and tell your friends that are using Spline to check out the tutorials. I'm always happy to answer any questions, and if anybody that's a subscriber has a request for a video, please just drop the request in a comment, and I'd be happy to make a quick little tutorial and hopefully answer your questions and get you moving along. So again, thanks so much, and I will see you guys on part 2 of images as materials. It's going to be a fun one. Take care, guys. Bye.